Hi everyone, I will explaining my email classifications using TensorFlow. We will start. Firstly, we will start importing all necessary library, TensorFlow and Kara to brace and train the neural network, Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization. Second, lens for confusion matrix and classification report, and PILOS and zip file to handle image file extraction. After that, here we download a filter cats and dot dataset from public storage. After that, we extract the dataset to our local path if it are already extracted. And then we here this folder we contain subfolder, so we will use train for training the model training and visualization to test performance. After that, here we will do the data pre-processing. Each email will resize to 128 into 128 pieces and process in batch sets of 32. After that, this comment automatically label the images based on their folder name, for example, cast or dot. And then this show the label that the model will predict, for example, cast or dot. After that, it enables first start loading by catching and prefetching images. Here, we will visualize a few simple images to confirm the dataset's correctness and label alignment. And here is the model architecture. This randomly flick, rotates, and then zoom images to prevent overfitting and improve generalization. And then this is the layer by layer. I will explain those. Import layer is here have 128 and 128 RGB images gone to be 2D layer. Its length, age, and texture, max pooling to reduce image size and flatten. To combat 2D feature map to 1D, then so it's a fully connected layer and then drop out to prevent overfitting and output where we predict cat or dog. After that, I will explain the model combinations. Here, item is the optimizer, a loss measure error for classification and accuracy check performance during training. And then we will train the model. We train the model for 10 posts, 10 epochs using early stopping to prevent overfitting if validation loss stop improving. And then we will perform visualizations. Here, this graph shows how accuracy and log evolve over time, having apps monitor model performance. We will do the model evaluations. After training, we test the model on async validation data to measure real accuracy. After use the confusion metric. A confusion metric shows how many cases were correctly or incorrectly classified as stores and vice versa. After that, the classification reports. This great prediction, recall, and advanced score for each class go for evaluating balance between false, positive, and negative. After that, the simple predictions. Here we display 9 simple predictions showing for predictor P and T level, green if correct and red if wrong. After that, we can test the model with our own photo of a cat or dog. It resize and analyze the image, then predict the classes. After that, we save the train model in dot color, so it can be reused later without retraining. Those here are research training for is cat and dog, and validation for is also cat and dog. Is from 2005, belonging to two classes. Here, cat and is validated. This is the layer and output shape. Also, these are the explanations of how the import will be. This is the chart, and then this is the confusion matrix, and then this is the prediction results. Thank you for listening.